So hello and welcome back to a very important video. And as you can see in the thumbnail, that Deloitte is hiring, and they have started their biggest hiring for the batch 2026. So in this video, we will be covering everything about this and all the process, registration process, and all the required thing that you should know before applying on the Deloitte. And also we will be discussing the package, qualifications, and everything. So be in the video till last and don't miss any part of the video. Before that, if you are new in our channel, so please do subscribe the channel and like the video. And if you want the link for this link, so you can check out the description box. Okay, so let's go towards the everything, every process of this. Okay, so this job is especially for the 2026 batch. It is a entry level hiring. Okay, and let's see the eligibility criteria. So they need education qualification. The education qualification they're asking is like BTech, MTech, MCA students can apply, and the branches they have allowed is CS, IT, and related branches. Okay, and this is especially and only for the 2026 batch. Apart from this, they also have put in that 60% or equivalent CGPA is needed. That means your academics like 10th and 12th marks should be at least 60% for being eligible on this. Okay, apart from this academics requirement, you should not have any backlog. You must clear all your previous semester exams, and you can read all these things in the website. Okay, I have put in the link in the description box. You can go and check out the everything here. Okay, so let's move towards the package. So they are offering 4 LPA CTC, and they will be offering you 1 year apprentice. That means it is a type of internship, so they will be providing you 1 year internship. After that, they will give you final offer letter. Okay, let's move towards the application process. So first you will be having registration, and then personal and education details verification, work experience if you have, faculty details, document. So I will be showing you the registration page also, where I will tell you everything there. Okay, apart from this, this is the full process. First will be selection, and you can go and check out everything. Okay, and many more things have been put in here. So let's go to the website, official website from where they are hiring. So they are hiring for engineers, undergraduates, undergraduates, commerce and aligned courses. So for now, we will be going with the engineering branch, engineering field. So here you will see it is a national level assessment, and it is open for all. All means every college students can apply on this. Those who are like eligible, those who are fulfilling all these requirements, all these eligibility criterias. So all of you are accepted to like apply on this. Okay, so the registration is now open for all the engineering and undergraduate students. And let's go towards the apply button, and I will show you what are the details that they are asking. So this is the registration from the first page. You will see that if you have to put your image, so this type of images they are expecting. Okay, so this is the registration page, and you can read all these details. You have to agree that, yeah, you do agree. Disclaimer. After that, you have to fill your first name, last name, and email address, and all these details. And most importantly, the shortlisting is going to be happen, and it will be based on your uh, resume. Okay, so this is the recruitment process. Registration will be happening. After that, shortlisting of the students based on the resume. So before like applying or before uploading your resume in the website, check everything. That means everything, because they will be shortlisting the students based on the resume itself. Okay, After that, based on the shortlisting, if you got shortlisted, so you will get online assessment link and you will be eligible for the assessment. After, if you qualify the assessment, online assessment, you will have a interview and then the final result. So this is the complete recruitment process. Okay. And let me tell you some more important things. These are the basic that you have to fill, education details and all. And university registration number. This is important. It is the roll number that you might have, enrollment number or roll number that your college or your university has given. So you have to fill your uh, registration number here, and you have to select the education qualification. If you are undergraduate, so click on the undergraduate, and based on this you will see all these options. So you have to fill, and all the colleges are also listed here, so you have to search your college and put the correct college, because based on your college only the shortlisting and all the interviews, all the further process will be going to happen. Okay, after this, you will have other details like educational gap, backlog, and any other thing. So you can read and fill it very, very, very importantly and very precisely. Okay, yeah, there should be no error expected from the Deloitte side. Okay, because they will not entertain uh, any type of problems that you cause, or any wrong information. That means if you put any wrong information, so they will directly reject your application. Okay, and if you have any professional certification, any type of certification, so you can put here. And then we have faculty in charge of placement. So lots of the students who got stuck here, so whom to put the details. So you can ask your training department teachers or TNP cell or TOP training officials to whom details you should put. So you can ask your teachers about this. Okay, like director of your training placement, you can put the details of them also. Okay, so you can ask your teachers also about this. After that, you have to attach your photo, and most importantly, resume and CV. So this is the most important thing that you have to put. And once you fill all these documents, re-verify one or two times. Okay, so that there will be no uh, wrong information. Okay, and once you complete this, you just submit it. Okay, once you submit this, your registration will be completed, and you have to just wait for the light mail or whatever they will do after this. As you can see, they have also shown the process like talent, then skill, then aptitude, technology, and aspiration. So this is going to be the process. So this was the all about the assessment. And if you want the placement material for the Deloitte also, so you can like comment down if you want. Apart from this, we have already put in lots of the placement materials of the other companies like Capgemini, TCS, Infosys, Accenture, Mindtree, Cognizant, HCL, and many more companies are going to be added soon. Here we have put in all the actual asked questions of this year. Okay, all the screenshots of the questions. Apart from that, we have put in lots of interview questions and many more things, so you can check out. And if you want to practice your interviews, so also you can also check out for this mock interview sessions. Okay, so this was all about the complete process of the Deloitte. If you have any queries, so you can comment down, and we have put in the all the important links in the description box, so go and check out the description box. And if you have not liked this like the video, please do like the video and subscribe our channel. So that's all for the day. Thanks for watching, and best of luck.